Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class example 1. Here in chapter 1 exercise questions are completed. Okay, if you not see, check in iCard. Okay, here example 1. Let A be set of all students of a boys school. Okay, here it is important, it is boys school. Show that the relation R in A given by R is equal to A comma B such that A is sister of B. Okay, is the empty relation. You have to show that here it is an empty relation. Okay, next R dash is equal to A comma B such that the difference between the height of A and B is less than 3 meters. Okay, here it is universe relation. Okay, you have to show that universe relation here, the R dash. Here for R you have to show that it is an empty relation. Okay, let us start the question number. Example 1. Okay, here it is boys school. Okay, boys school का मतलब only the boys are allowed inside the school. Okay, therefore no girls is allowed. Okay, but here given R is equal to A comma B such that A is sister of B. Okay, here A is sister of B, but here in the school only boys are there, therefore no girls is present here. Therefore you have to write no student of the school can be sister, because it is boys school. Okay, therefore no student of the school can be sister. Okay, therefore here R is equal to 5. Okay, here it is empty set or null set. Okay, therefore the relation is empty relations. Okay, R is equal to empty relation. You have to show that. Here it is proved. Okay, next for R dash, here A comma B such that the difference here, difference between A and B is less than 3 meters. Okay, in the school you have to check every student. Okay, difference between two students, difference between two students height. Okay, if you take A and B or B and C, okay, their heights, difference between heights of student A and B has less than 3 meters. Okay, if you take another students also, if you compare in the school, every students has difference between their height is less than 3 meters. Therefore here R dash is every students, here it is satisfying, but here no students is satisfying because here it is boys school. Okay, therefore no girls are present here. In all the students, if you compare their difference between the height, here it is less than 3 meter. Therefore here r dash is equal to universe A cross A. Okay, every term in set A and set A. Okay, here product, Cartesian product is nothing but is the universe relations. Okay, hence proved. Okay, therefore example 2, here in example 2, let T be set of all triangles. Okay, here capital T is nothing but triangles in a plane with R in a relation in T given by R is equal to T1 comma T2. Therefore two triangles. Okay, here such that T1 is congruent to T2. Therefore here it is equal. Okay, T1 is given R is equal to T1 first triangle and T2. Therefore T1 is congruent to, congruent का मतलब here exactly the first triangle is equal to second triangle. Therefore T1 is equal to T2. Therefore here you have to show that it is an equivalence relation. It is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation का मतलब here you have to satisfy 3 conditions. First, reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Okay, if you satisfy these 3 cases, then here it is equivalence relation. I am taking reflexive. For here reflexive, relation, here A comma B, here A equal to B. Therefore you have to write A comma A. Therefore identity. Okay, sets here A equal to B, because here A equal to B na. Therefore here you have to take A comma A. Next, for symmetric, A comma B, here it is inverse is B comma A. Therefore here it is symmetric relation. Okay, next, transitive. For transitive relation, A comma B, B comma C, here A comma C belongs to R. Therefore here it is transitive. Okay, here A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, but A comma C not belongs to R. Therefore here not transitive. Okay, let us check here. For reflexive, here T1 comma T1, because T1 is congruent to itself. Okay, here T1 is congruent to itself. Next, T2, here T1 comma T2 and T2 comma T1, here it is belongs to R, it is also belongs to R, because here T1 is congruent to T2. Therefore T2 is congruent to T1. Okay, T1 is congruent to T2, T2 is congruent to T1. Therefore here it is symmetric relation. Okay, reflexive we have satisfied, and for symmetric also we have satisfied. Next, transitive. For transitive, t1 comma t2 belongs to R, therefore t2 comma t3 we have to take another triangle. Okay, for comparison, here you have to write t1 is congruent to t2. Here t2 is congruent to t3, therefore here t1 is equal to t2, t2 is equal to t3, therefore here t2 I am equaling, therefore here equation 1, here 2. From 1 and 2, t1 equal to t3. Okay, finally you have to write t1 is congruent to t3, therefore t1 comma t3 belongs to R. Here a comma b, see here a comma b, b comma c belongs to R. Okay, therefore here a comma c also belongs to R by using here this property. Therefore here it is satisfying transitive. Therefore here it is satisfying reflexive, symmetric, and here third one transitive. Therefore if three condition is satisfied, then here it is equivalence relation. I hope the question number example 1 and 2 are clear. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.